Come on. Try it again. You don't like your milk?
Where's Nicholas and this?
Okay. Try it again. Oh, yeah. You don't like your infant milk. Oh, you know how to complain. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah, okay. Try it again. Come on. Oh, poor you. Oh, life is so hard. Okay. I know. All right. Okay. Try it again. Oh, Nicholas doesn't like formula. Oh. Okay. One more time. Let's try it again, okay? Why not? But if you're hungry, you'll try it again. Okay, come on. Latch on properly. There you go. Oh, spit it out again.